So I wanted to clarify what the prompt for the first discussion board was about. The question I asked is, do you think Kant's categorical imperatives are really categorical? Why or why not? To answer that question, you have to know what categorical means, and that's something that's covered in the video that I put up. Uh, what is an imperative and what is a categorical imperative? So, really, to understand the question, you have to know both terms. What is an imperative? And what is a categorical imperative? First of all, let's start with imperative. An imperative is an order or command: do this, don't do that. And to say that it's categorical is to say that it's unconditional and exceptionless. That is, to state something categorically is just to state it. It doesn't say do this because so and so or do this if so and so. It says just do this. Always act so that your rule of action can be a law for everyone. Always act so that you treat all other persons as ends in themselves and never as a mere means to an end. Those things are stated categorically. So the question really is, are there any moral commands or rules, imperatives, that are truly categorical in the sense that they are exceptionless and universal? That is, that they are always true, that there are no exceptions at all. So think about what the implications of this are. To say that these imperatives, these commands or orders, these two that I've shared with you, to say that they're categorical is to say that all human beings need to follow them all the time, forever and ever. Amen. Right? Okay. So that's really the question. That is, are they really categorical? Do you really believe that Kant has given us these two moral rules that every human being always and for all time absolutely has a duty to abide by? Are there such moral rules? So that's really meant by that question, and you can't really answer that question properly uh, without understanding what a categorical imperative is. And you can't understand what a categorical imperative is until you understand what an imperative is and what it means for that imperative to be categorical. I covered that in the video, absolutely. And I'm telling you now. So this is really the first thing I would say for this class that you absolutely have to have clear. That is, no student will ever get out of my class with a good grade, a moral philosophy class that covers Kant, without being able to explain the categorical imperatives. You absolutely have to do it. So this is what I meant. It meant something specific. Are they really categorical? I think there's a big question. I think they're incredibly well crafted. These two imperatives, these two rules or commands, but whether they're truly categorical in the sense that they are absolutely exceptionless, there are no situations in which it would be okay not to follow them, and also that everyone, excuse me, is beholden to them. Everybody, you know, he thinks that these are universal. So is that really true? That's what I really wanted to know. So yeah, just wanted to explain that.